Hey everyone! Welcome back! Today we'll be discussing some simple but very effective ways to keep your body healthy and your mind sharp that will all help promote healthier and faster growing hair. Yeah, not what you'd expect, but they do work. Definitely. This video is brought to you by Nissim International, makers of F.A.S.T shampoo, a special hair shampoo that boosts your hair growth rate by up to 99%.
It's no secret that touch is essential for our overall health and well-being. Physical contact can help to alleviate stress levels, lower blood pressure, and boost immunity. And one simple way to incorporate more touch into our lives is by holding hands with our family. Playing dominoes can be useful for your health in numerous ways. Puzzles can help improve your memory and cognitive skills, while dominoes can help enhance your hand-eye coordination. Good health is critical for keeping your body and mind, so playing dominoes can be an outstanding way to stay active and healthy. While you may not think of asparagus as being particularly good for your health, it indeed has several benefits. For one, asparagus is an excellent source of antioxidants. These nutrients help to protect your cells from damage and can improve your overall health. Asparagus is also a good source of fiber, which is important for keeping your digestive system healthy. Additionally, the folate in asparagus can help to prevent birth defects and is crucial for pregnant women to consume. Eating asparagus can be a delicious and healthy addition to any meal, with its array of vitamins and minerals that are beneficial for the body. Playing hide and seek can have some great benefits for your health. It can help you have fun and play. Additionally, hiding and seeking can also help improve your mental sharpness and agility. And finally, playing this game can also lead to better physical health by improving your heart health and stamina. No matter how many times you play, hide and seek is always a fun game to enjoy with friends. So why not gather your closest pals together for an outdoor session of this classic game?
These simple strategies improve oxygenation and your mood, help to balance your hormones, and reduce cortisol levels, all of which are good for your overall health as well as that of your hair. As a token of appreciation for our viewers' constant support, we thought about doing something for you by allowing you to try F.A.S.T shampoo for free. So don't forget to smash the like and subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get updates on our recent uploads and regular giveaways of individual sets of F.A.S.T shampoo. You don't want to miss out on that. It promises to be lots of fun, so let's keep the energy high. Hopefully this continual series about all the not so common things you can do to improve your hair health is inspirational enough to keep you going. Watch this space for a ton of advice on improving your general well-being, emotional well-being, and the relationship these things have with maintaining healthy hair. See you next time.